Hey, I'm AD Dolphin, the CEO of Dherbs.com, and here we get a lot of health-related questions. But this week, we're going to tackle lice. And our first question comes from Romy Briggsy. Why do head lice not drown when you have a bath? Great question, Romy. This is fiction. Romy, head lice will actually drown, but you have to take a bath for several hours. It turns out that lice only need very little air to survive. But Romy, I have a trick for you. You can actually suffocate the lice by doing this. You take this shampoo, you massage it into your hair, and then without washing it, this is something that you're gonna do outside of the shower. You're gonna blow dry it. It's gonna harden that shampoo. In the morning, when you wake up, you would have killed all the adult lice in your head. Now you can rinse your head and be lice-free, but not of those eggs. I just really want to be clear, but the adult lice will be gone. To get to those eggs, you're gonna get this device called a knit comb. It's a special comb that helps you comb the eggs out of your head. And just to make sure that you get these eggs for certain and also get those adult lice out of your head, I would love for you to perform this twice within a week. And our next question comes from Cookie Way. Why are head lice such a problem in children but not in adults? This is a fact. The reason why this is such an issue when it comes to kids is because kids tend to hang around the same proximity of each other. They're also sharing hats, hairbrushes, and other things that can help the spread of lice. The way kids tend to behave, being around each other constantly in the same proximities, adults usually don't do that. But lice are an issue with adults when they are in the same proximity, like refugee camps, military, any place like that where people are dwelling very close to each other. Now, this is another issue that I want to share. Mothers, you guys can be in danger because you guys spend more time with your kids. And we already know kids are more prone to getting lice. So mothers, you're definitely gonna have to watch out for those pesky little bugs being around you. And our next question comes from Hangry Mom 1. Can pets get lice from kids? Our dog always sleeps with our little girl. This is fiction. Head lice will only feed on humans. Dogs can get lice, but it's actually a different species of lice. It's called canine lice, which won't bite humans. Regardless, you don't have to worry about your dogs being affected by your infested kids. Just worry about the humans that they come in contact with. That's all for today, and thanks for watching Fact or Fiction. And if you have questions that you want answered, you can email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com or message us on social media. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and don't forget to stay healthy.